Built to last, stronger than stainless steel cookware, hard anodized aluminum exterior is dense, non-porous and highly wear-resistant for the perfectly even heat and professional performance. Ultra non-stick. The non-stick cooking surface is coated 3x reinforced with minerals and diamonds to deliver the ultimate food release. No oil or butter needed, makes for healthier eating and provides for hassle-free 1-2-3 cleanup. Super durable. The coating of the pan is durable enough to withstand metal spatulas, spoons, whisks and more, while the aluminum exterior is dense, non-porous and highly wear-resistant for long-lasting performance. Dishwasher safe. Spend less time with cleanup. After all the cooking and prepping is done, place cookware in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleanup. Oven safe. Induction capable. This set is compatible with all cooktops including gas, electric and induction, and is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Stainless steel handles are cool to the touch on the stovetop, while the ergonomic design provides a safe and solid grip. Healthy, non-toxic. All Granitestone products are free of PFOA, PFOS, other harmful chemicals including lead cadmium, for an eco-friendly, healthy experience. 3-piece fry pan set. Set includes 8 inches skillet, 10 inches fry pan, 12 inches fry pan. Please note this set does not include lids. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly as advertised. I am always skeptical of the ads with the fried egg being blown across the pan or whatever similar food that just slides onto the plate. These pans, however, have remarkable non-stick capabilities. In full transparency, I do add a small amount of oil and butter when making scrambled eggs. This is mostly for taste and habit, but no more than a tablespoon for the 12 pan. We've used it to reduce sauces and it wipes clean. We've seared marinated meat and it wipes clean. I can't speak to the scratch resistance because we use bamboo or silicone-tipped utensils, but I have no reason to use metal utensils in any type of pan other than cast iron. We've used the copper-colored style pans and they lost their non-stick ability after a few months, then began to scratch with the same utensils we're using now. These are light, easy to clean, heat quickly and evenly, and are absolutely non-stick. I would 100% buy this again. As a matter of fact, I am buying a set for my mom as we speak.